Ways to fuel a strong TikTok SEO strategy. TikTok SEO is important for gaining visibility on the platform. TikTok is a rapidly growing social media platform that allows users to create and share short video content. With over 2 billion downloads and a large user base, it's become a hub for content creators and marketers. To stand out in this crowded space, understanding TikTok SEO is crucial. One, profile optimization. Username. Choose a username that reflects your content or brand. Keep it simple and memorable.
Profile picture. Use a clear and eye-catching profile picture, often your brand logo or a personal photo.
Bio. Write a concise, engaging bio that describes who you are and what you create. Use relevant keywords.
Two, keyword research. Identify keywords related to your content niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner. TikTok's search bar and competitors' profiles to find popular keywords. Incorporate these keywords into your username, bio, and video descriptions.
Three, content creation. Create high quality, engaging content. TikTok's algorithm values videos that keep users on the platform longer.
Use trending sounds, music, and challenges to boost your visibility. Pay attention to the Discover section for trending content. Four, video optimization. Video title. Craft catchy and descriptive video titles that include keywords related to your content. Descriptions. Write detailed video descriptions with relevant hashtags. Use trending and niche-specific hashtags. Cover photo. Select an appealing cover photo to entice users to click on your video. Five. Engagement and interaction. Respond to comments on your videos to encourage engagement and build a community. Collaborate with other creators through duets, stitches, and shoutouts to expand your reach. Six. Posting schedule. Consistency is key. Develop a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged.
Analyze when your target audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Seven. TikTok Analytics use TikTok Pro to gain insights into your video performance. Analyze data like views, likes, shares, and audience demographics. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. 8. User interaction signals. TikTok's algorithm takes into account how users engage with your content. Encourage viewers to engage with your videos through call to action prompts. 9. Trend utilization. Stay updated with TikTok trends and challenges. Participate in these to ride the wave of popularity.